Hi everybody and welcome to my channel. My name's Julia. Today we're going to be doing some wake up yoga. So a 10-minute morning yoga session. If you have muscles that have tightened up overnight, you can stretch them out and this will set you in the right frame of mind for the day ahead. Or just any time that you feel you'd like to take a break and feel really refreshed. So we're going to start sitting comfortably. Have your legs crossed if that doesn't bother your knees. Otherwise you can have your legs in front of you or any way that really feels comfortable. You can even sit on a cushion if that feels better. Just drop your chin to your chest, keeping the spine nice and long. Close your eyes. Take a couple of deep breaths here. Just allowing yourself this little time of peace, this time for yourself. And slowly open your eyes, trace your head around in nice slow circles. Don't go too far back on the way back. Keeping the breathing deep. Go around a couple of times this way. And reverse. Just very gently. And bring the head up to the center. Take your left hand now to the top of the head and gently let the weight of your arm carry it over so you get a lovely stretch down the opposite side of the neck. Again, the breathing nice and deep. And swap over to the other side very gently. And release, and then we'll do some arm circles. On an inhale, reach up, stretch long, stretch the whole body. Exhale, take the arms all the way back and down. Again, inhale, reaching up. Exhale down, like welcoming the morning. One more time, big breath in and exhale. Nice. Now slide your left hand out to the side, bring the right arm to the ceiling, reach it long, pull back and look up past the fingertips to the ceiling if you can. Feel a stretch all the way down this side of the body, stretching out the rib cage. And then push out over the knee with the palm of the hand. This should also feel really nice. And then with that hand on the knee, bring your left hand behind. Now sit up really tall so the spine is straight up and down. And then as your next exhale, press into a twist. You can push against your knee and push against the floor behind you to increase the twist. Keep lengthening on the inhale, pressing around on the exhale. And with your body still in this pose, bring your head around to look out over that front shoulder. Again, a really nice neck stretch. And release, and then the other side. So slide your right arm out, left hand up, really reach it. Press the left hip into the mat, stretch up to the fingertips and look up. Breathing smoothly. And then push out over the knee. Nice lengthening all the way down the left part of the spine. And then bring your hand on the knee. Right hand behind, inhale as you sit up tall and exhale into that twist, pushing into it. Keep lengthening on each inhale and pressing a little further on each exhale. And then keep the body pressing into the twist as you bring your head around to look over that front shoulder. And release. Come over now to hands and knees for our cat and wolf pose. So hands underneath the shoulders, legs are hip width apart, tummy in nice and firmly. Now as you inhale, look up, hips are up, head is up, lifting the chest. And then exhale, flow into that cat curl, pressing the belly button into the spine. Inhale luxuriously into that wolf, and nice and slowly again exhale into cat. Inhale, looking up. Exhale, rounding the spine. Come to neutral, look around one way. Puppy dog, pressing the shoulder towards the hip. And the other way. Again, press around one side. And the other side. And then take your left hand, thread it through between the right hand and the knee and come down as far as you can. If possible, all the way onto the shoulder. Slide this hand back a little bit just in front of your face and push into the mat. Look up and breathe. Threading the needle pose. And then come up, we'll do the other side. So take your right hand, thread it through, come down as far as you can. If possible, the shoulder and the cheek rest on the mat. Slide your hand back so it's in front of your face and push into the twist. Looking up towards the ceiling, enjoying that stretch. And come back again onto your hands and knees. Tuck your toes under and press up into downward facing dog. And then pedal your legs, bending one knee at a time as you press the heels towards the mat. Nice deep breathing. Energizing the whole body, feeling great. And then press both heels down towards the mat. Push it away, let your head relax, and just let your head move back and forth a couple of times. Take a few deep breaths, really relax into this. And then take one leg up towards the ceiling, stretch it long, the three-legged dog. And switch legs, so that one comes down. Bring your right leg up, nice and long, stretch it out, make it feel really good. And come back into downward facing dog. Breathe. And from here, lower yourself down onto your knees and walk your hands out for child's pose, letting your head relax down a moment. Melt into the pose and then walk yourself over to one side and again relax into it, so you should feel a stretch down the side. Nice deep breathing. Come back to the center and walk yourself around the other side. Again, relax into it. It's a great shoulder stretch, especially if you're going to be doing some work on a computer or at a desk. Again, come back to the center. Stretch it out to here one more time. And ease yourself back up. And come all the way to sitting. Bring your feet together now and press the knees gently out to the sides, pulling up, lifting through the chest nice and long. And then if you want to come forward, you can grab the front of your feet to pull yourself and let yourself relax down. You might even want to walk your hands out in front if that works better for you. And ease yourself up. Come again to cross-legged or any way that feels right for you. Roll the shoulders around a couple more times. And then reach up overhead, palms touch, big inhale. Exhale, bring all that sunshine and good vibes all around you. One more time. Inhale, reach. And exhale down. Thank you, everybody. Namaste. I hope you enjoyed this class. Please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already by clicking on the little red button underneath here. And if you click on the bell and choose where it says all, you'll get updates whenever I come out with new videos. All my videos are free. Watch them whenever you like, as many times as you like. Hope to see you again soon. Bye for now.